Hi, this is Jeremy with Unique Classic Cars here in Mankato, Minnesota. As you can see, I am also sheltering in place and we are working remotely, and I couldn't help myself. If I'm going to set up a temporary office at my house, it for sure is going to be in the garage with my cars. And you know, we can't forget what drives us. It's a beautiful sunny day here this morning, and hey, I got to be around these cars even if we can't be at the showroom or with the shows. We got to get our car fixed. I'm sure there's a lot of guys and gals out there that feel the same way. I just wanted to come to you today, let you know that we are indeed working remotely. Our sales team and our virtual showroom, if you will, on our website is open, in fact. And if you're out there shopping on our website, which you can go to at uniqueclassiccars.com, we have over 150 vehicles in stock, as always, and they are pictured up, videoed, and ready to go. So I want to make sure, number one, if you're sitting at home, you can watch this, check out our inventory, go to our virtual car show, virtual showroom, if you want to call it that, and hey, keep shopping. Second thing I want to let you know, as I mentioned, is that our sales staff is indeed working remotely. So please, any questions you may have, you can certainly email us at sales@uniquemankato.com. You can message us through Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, any of those social media outlets. You can call 507-386-1726 if you have any questions. Sales team is absolutely working as usual. If you happen to see something that you're interested in, obviously I know this time, at this time, it's you know, no travel advised, that sort of thing, with the shelter in place. I'm more than happy to go to the showroom personally, do a live video walk around with you. If there's specifics on a car that you're interested in, I will certainly do that for you. I'm not that far away from the showroom and I can get in if need be, as our service department is still in fact open. So, but on the flip side, a little more of a, I just want to throw out there that, you know, if this pandemic is hitting you or someone you know kind of hard in the wallet and that sort of thing, and if it's unfortunate that you have to perhaps part with one of your cars or something like that, I just wanted to throw out there that we can, we're going to do a consignment special where we're going to waive our upfront fee, which is normally $595 for a consignment, now through April 17th. So if someone is in a bad situation where they have to sell their car to make ends meet during this time, contact us, email us. As I mentioned before, we will waive the upfront fee, so there's no out-of-pocket cost to you to have us consign your car. Whether you're 2 miles away or 2,000 miles away, we can certainly do that. So please email below or give us a call and we will walk you through that process. Also, keep an eye on our channel here. I may have a few other videos coming to you this week to keep you updated on what's going on, and we'll try to keep it around that 3-minute mark so everybody doesn't get, so I don't put anyone to sleep. So with that, enjoy your cars, enjoy your families at this time as well, and we will check back with you soon here at Unique Classic Cars.